I must unbox this thing like 3 times already, but I want to go and show off the blue color. So what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I got Gibby the robot vacuum going off right now, so hopefully you can't hear that. My dad's the one that came up with naming these robot vacuums. So we got Gibby, Gibby Jr., and Gibby Sr. We got the whole family. And yeah, I know, I got a dad. It's crazy. But okay, we're way off topic now. So we got the Galaxy Tab S6 in blue here, and if you look here at the bottom, it says blue. So yeah, we finally got the cloud blue here. It's been out of stock literally since it came out. I talked to the Best Buy rep and he said maybe it was just an exclusive order with pre-order, but nope, it wasn't. And I really wanted the cloud blue when I saw it, like when it first came out and leaked and all that, because I was like, man, that's a nice color. Mountain gray's cool and all, but it's cloud blue, guys. So yeah, we about to look in this thing real quick. So we got the Samsung logo at the top. We got the same colorful look at the Tab S6 text. We got the actual Tab S6 in the cloud blue. On the right side, we got the right side of the Galaxy Tab in cloud blue. On the back, we got the Galaxy Tab S6 and what's inside the box and everything. Powered by Android, Energy Star, secured by Knox, all that good stuff. You know I'm not gonna read that, so forget about it. At the bottom, we got my info. On the left side, we got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. And at the top, we got nothing. You guys seen this already if you watch my channel, so nothing new here. But I'm just glad we could finally get our hands on the cloud blue. I don't think anybody got their hands on the cloud blue yet. When I pre-ordered it on the Samsung website, it was talking about October 10th or something. I don't got my Galaxy Watch to check right now, but I think that was like a week ago. But you know what we gotta do, we gotta go ahead and crack into this thing. But it just popped up on the Best Buy website like maybe 4 days ago, and I got it replaced like 2 days ago. So let's go ahead and cut in this box. Let's get that other part right here, and I put a screen protector as soon as I get this thing out the box to finish this video. But let's go ahead and get in here. There is our dryer sheet. I talked about this already. It's kind of a meme at this point for me. But let's go ahead and take this out the box by this flap right here. And it's not cold or anything like my Notebook 9 Pro was. But let's go and take this thing out of the dryer sheet here. And here we go. So we got the Galaxy Tab S6 again. And that's the bezels right there. So I was actually kind of worried that it's gonna look cloud blue on the front, but actually looks light gray. And looking at the back of this thing, there's that cloud blue. So in my opinion, it looks real nice. So I'm feeling that, but the thing is, I got the gray book cover keyboard, so. But in here, we got the cloud blue S Pen. In here, we got our SD card ejector, or if you got the cellular version, the SIM-in SD card ejector. We got our usual books nobody care about. I don't even really feel like throwing it to the side, to be honest with you today. I know, I just let all y'all down. Might as well cancel the video, right? In here, we got our, white charger. The Mountain Gray Tab S6 had a black charger, so now we get a white charger. That's nice. No white shoes over here to go ahead and play with the cables though. And we got the Samsung logo and everything here with adaptive fast charging here. But I want to go ahead and say something real quick before we continue. So shout out to White Shoes, wherever she at.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my
White Shoes, wherever you at.
I love my white.
Calm down. So yeah, y'all, we got our cable here, so it's USB-A to USB-C. And then in here, you have your S Pen tips and removal tool. Bet y'all wasn't expecting White Shoes to get a feature in the video though. But let's go and turn this thing on here, or we could look around it first. For the new people that's around here watching this video, we got a 10.5-inch AMOLED screen on the front. We got a front-facing camera with a light sensor. On the left side, we got our pogo connectors and some indents here. We got our antenna bands. At the top, we got 2 out of our 4 speakers, antenna bands, and a mic. On the right side, we got our volume buttons, power button, mic. We got our antenna bands, and then we got our SD card slot. But at the bottom, we got 2 more speakers here. We have a USB-C port and then more antenna bands. And yeah, that's it. And on the back, we have our dual cameras here. So we have our wide angle, and then we got our ultra wide. We got the Samsung logo. We got that nice cloud blue. It looks pretty much exactly like it does in the videos. Maybe it's a little bit more muted, but like it's pretty much the same exact thing. And then our S Pen goes here, sound by AKG. We got the model number and everything. And then we got an Energy Star sticker. Alright y'all, so let's go and turn this thing on. Again, there's no vibration when you turn this thing on either, because they downgraded the vibration mode on the Tab S6 from the Tab S4, which is kind of stupid. But I mean, it is what it is, right? But I'm not even gonna really go through the setup or anything. I'm gonna just go ahead and leave it as it is. I'll go and set this thing up off camera and everything, but for now, that was pretty much it. So thanks for watching, y'all. If you liked the video, go and give the video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But I really like that it came with a white cable here. White Shoes, calm down. But thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Oh god, I crack myself up sometimes. Peace out.